are doing some final prep on the Atteberry Motorsports Bronco for the 4600 race tomorrow morning. So,
recovering from a little hiccup.
yeah, there was a fitting failure on the main fuel line that heads into the high pressure pump. Dumped about 3 gallons of fuel into the skid plates. And then once it ignited, it was like a mini explosion of the hood as you can see through torched up in here.
It's a duty.
Actually blew through all the grommets in the firewall and went up into the dash. If you go look at the dash on the passenger side, on the top side of it, you can see it's pretty squashed in there. All of it.
Dude, we got done after King's-Keto, and I went to jump in the car. We were gonna mob out of Kings, like 10 Kings. I went to jump in the car to open the door, the entire door just fucking fell off. And I was like, shit, Josh is like, put it back on. And I was thinking, I'm like, I can't get it. It's fun, put a bolt in it next time. Yeah. He tried. He tied it to the back. I'm like, sweet. And I'm sitting here with my phone. So I put lead nav on my phone because the iPad went dead. So I was literally calling everything off of my phone, holding winch cable